So first things first, to make this sleeve, I'm going to be drawing out my sleeve quickly. I'm going to go to use the remaining fabric here. The sleeve length is going to be about 19 inches. Okay, so we have enough. So I'm going to come here. My starting point is here. I have 18. So around here, this is going to be at the 3/4 width of my hand. Okay, around here, I want it to stop around here. So I have my measurements to be about 12 inches. So down here, I'm going to be taking 12 plus a little bit more. So I'm going to measure out 14 here. So from here, which is 16, which is my round sleeve here, 16 plus a little bit extra here, I'm just going to draw a straight line to connect it. That's basically how to just build a simple sleeve. Then sewing allowance, I come down by 5 inches and I measure 3 at this place here. I now make my S curve. Okay, we also measure, I make my S curve here, join it here with the 1 inch sewing allowance. Always make sure that, measure it to be sure that you get your round sleeve. So my round sleeve is 10, so I have about 10 and a half here, so I'm good to go. So I'm going to be cutting out this sleeve now. And I'll cut out the second one also. I'll be cutting out, this is the first sleeve, so I'll be cutting out the second sleeve also. So I've cut out my 2 sleeves. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing, this is the asooke that I want to use to accessorize it. Okay, so you're just going to take one of your sleeves and determine how much you want the sleeve to be. Okay, this is a full loom of asooke. Okay, so I'm going to determine how long I want it to be and how wide. So I'm just going to come here now. Okay, divide my asooke into 2. Okay, however way you want it. If you want it like this, if you want it like this, I want mine like this. Then I come here on the double folded edge. Okay, it must be the exact length as this. It must be the exact length, okay, as your sleeve, the exact width rather, as your sleeve. Okay, the exact width, as you can see. Then the next thing, you come here and you measure how wide you want it, because it's going to come up this way. I want it to about 5 inches. I want it to, the asooke to come up here. It's about 5 inches. So I'm going to be measuring 6 inches because I'm going to use 1/2 inch to join here, and 1/2 inch over here I'm going to weave it. So I'm going to be measuring, taking my 6 inches. I'll mark out 6 inches on the asooke, on the fabric asooke itself. I'll mark out 6 inches. Okay, so I'm going, this is my line here, so I'm going to be cutting this here. After I've measured out my 6 inches here, I'm now going to come at the edge of this place here, at the end of the 6 inches here. I'm going to, rather than taking it all the way straight, I'm going to make it come out a bit. It's going to come out a bit. It's not going to come down straight. It's going to come out a bit, maybe at a 45-degree angle. Okay, this is the straight line. I'm not going to use the straight line, but I'm going to let it come out a bit, okay, to have a wing. And I'll connect like this. Then I'll go ahead and cut. I'll cut 2 and I'll go and weave these edges so that they will not fray. You know, it's asooke, it's woven cloth, So I'm going to weave them, and I'll come back and show you how to apply them, how to fix them on the sleeve. So this is my asooke now. I've already cut it out, as I told you. Okay, this bottom place is about 16 inches. Okay, it's too much actually. What I need here is just about 14. So I'm definitely, because what I need, the bottom of this part here, whatever you have here, okay, so by the time I sew it and join it, whatever is left, I'm going to trim it off. Okay, remember I said you're going to bring it out at about an angle here. Okay, so what I have here, the length of my is about 6 inches, so I'm going to be joining it at about 5.5 inches here, and I'll turn it. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to join my sleeve. Okay, this back, I'm going to join this part here. Okay, close it up here. After closing it up here, I'm going to bring this my sleeve here and close it right side, wrong side to wrong side, like this. Okay, wrong side to wrong side, like this. I'm going to close it just here, all the way up here. After closing it here, I'll now bring it and show you what to do next. So I finished pinning it down. Okay, remember what I said, this joint part here, okay, is going to be exactly at the center part of the sleeve here, not at the part where we have joined at the armpit here. No, this center part here of the sleeve, okay, it's going to be right here. So I've pinned everything down. Okay, as you can see, I've pinned it down. So now I'm going to take it round to my machine now and go and sew it on. So here we go, I'm done sewing it down. The next thing I'm going to do now is just iron it and attach it to my dress. So if you learned something in this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. There we go, neat all the way inside.